So, I think we had the Cadillac sold.
I need this
Or
too.
one of the Cadillacs sold, and it's this one, right?
Yeah.
74. But unfortunately yesterday, we drove this car for a little bit, and this brake was sticking a little bit. Couldn't get we couldn't get this.
We need a new caliper. We can have one today at 3:30, but the guy's coming to look at the car at 12. So we stole the caliper off the 73 because they're the same part number, and the new caliper will be here this afternoon to put back on the 73.
So where's all gonna work out?
Will you
It's
get
only
me a big C-clamp?
a big C-clamp.
Go from here to here.
Go from here to here.
Yes, sir. That's good. All right, loosen it off. Brake pad.
I'm just here for moral support.
You're such a supportive man. The best husband I've ever had. Oh no, hold on.
What's wrong?
Did yours start?
Yeah.
Okay, I need a hitting tool.
A hitting tool, like a hammer?
I can use this. This is a hammer too. Oh, I know what it is. So
wrong?
give me that bolt.
Because this bolt goes with that. It's a little bit longer or something?
Yeah, look at the difference for how far down the threads go.
I wonder why.
I don't know. Tighten them up evenly. It didn't lose much fluid, so hopefully it'll bleed real quick and we won't have any problems. You should wash your hands now.
All right. Should wear gloves next time. Pump them.
Pump up the jam.
Pump it up.
Pump
the
up the jam. Pump it up while the beat is thumping.
You red eye?
Pump it up. Nike
Pump.
turkey. Oh yeah, we're golden.
Hell yeah. Let's put
How's that pedal feel?
Yeah, it feels tight.
Okay, turn that wheel back straight. Now
Yes.
we just gotta put the wheels on. Hand cleaner works better if you don't get your hands wet first. Do all the scrubbing with just the hand cleaner. Did you tighten them?
Not all the way.
Why not?
I don't know. I'm about to. I'm weird. I'm doing. I don't know why I didn't tighten them all the way.
Did you turn down the pressure?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I didn't want to over tighten them.
Bro,
I'm always scared they're over tightened.
just don't continue to ugga-dugga,
Ugga dugga.
yeah.
Ugga.
Hey, would you rather it be too tight or come off while you're going down the road?
Neither.
I'd rather it be too tight.
Okay. Let's do tighten. Ah, they do need it.
What happened?
Nothing.
Were they loose?
No.
Are you lying to me? Just like you said you didn't have.
Woo! What you know about that?
What you know about slamming them hubcaps on the car real fast and making up words that don't make sense?
That was good. Ready?
Yeah, buddy. Easy. The only reason I say easy is because people that slam them jacks down, that's how you ruin jacks.
Yeah. And it's lowered.
Take her for a spin.
I know y'all be loving it. Lean back. Lean back. See how she rolls down the street. Damn. Now we gotta wash it off. You know what? I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss her when she's gone. Isn't that like a country song about fishing?
Probably.
Yeah.
Most countries.
Because he goes, he just goes fishing.
With all these automatic vehicles nowadays, it's gonna be country songs about someone's truck leaving them.
Oh, you talking about like the ones that automatically drive?
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be, I done missed my payment and my truck took off. That's what's gonna happen.
Final wash here.
Final wash. what Russell's doing. What you doing? You still working on that?
I'm shortening all the wires now that I got everything where I want it. That way when I do the final assembly, I can route the wires where I need them with the wire loom on them and not have to take anything apart again.
Cool. And that guy will be here in like pretty soon.
Pretty soon. Are you excited?
I am.
This is your element, bro.
Oh yeah.
Selling things.
We're gonna sell this Cadillac.
Okay guys, show you what I got here and show you what I'm finna do. I've been working on this computer mounting bracket and also making a little bracket to mount the relays and fuses that go along with it. Here's all the wiring, it's shortened up. I need to put wire loom on it and I'll do that before final installation. And then here is my bracket. It's this is it in its crude form. Just got this tacked on. I need to lower this bracket down 3/16 of an inch. And then I pre-made all of these gussets to strengthen up all these tall spots and also make it look better. So we're gonna put all this together now and it's time for a time lapse. Okay, I've got my bracket assembled. Now I just need to make my actual mounting for it to mount to the inner fender. I've got it screwed back in with the self-tappers that I used temporarily. Now I'm gonna go back through, add a couple more holes so I can put some thread setters in the bottom of this bracket and you'll mount it from underneath on the inside. So through the fender well, you'll just see the bolt heads and that's it. Check it out, check it out, check it out. There, all my thread setters in. It looks kind of like some Mad Max stuff. Now we're going to hit everything we can with the wire wheel, clean it up, sand it, put some 40 on it, get any contaminants off, give it a quick coat of paint, and it's final installation time. While I'm waiting on the paint to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start putting wire loom on the wires that are going to go through this bracket and under this bracket. That way it's one and done. I'm just going to carry on, get it painted, and get it installed and keep y'all in the loop along the way.
It is the last ride.
This is what I called my Cadillac and this was Chase's Cadillac and my Cadillac is leaving.
It's getting sold. And this is his last ride in the Cadillac.
All right, old Betsy.
All right, I'll meet you over there.
Goodbye. I'm gonna wreck it so I don't have to give it to him.
You're good. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir.
Enjoy.
I hope you enjoy the hell out of it. Have a good one, man. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Enjoy. She gone. She's gone. Russell had to leave the scene because he's in there crying. He had to go wipe his tears because the car is gone.
Goodbye, Cadillac. Goodbye. Goodbye.
We'll miss
Goodbye,
you.
that's the most money. Goodbye. Goodbye, Cadillac.
We'll miss it.
Goodbye, Cadillac.
See ya.
Goodbye.